How to fix Android USB connected or disconnected problem. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. So if your Android phone is constantly showing USB connector connected or disconnected notification, this can keep your screen always on and drain battery. So in order to fix this issue, first of all, you can change the charger. So this issue may be caused by a high power adapter or faulty charger. You can try using a different charger or connect your phone to a PC or laptop USB port. If the notification disappears, the problem is with the charger. But if this is not the problem, then you can simply enable USB debugging. For that, you need to head towards your phone settings and scroll to the bottom of your screen and find out the option of About Device. Select that and you need to choose version. And you need to tap for the 7 times on build numbers to enable the developer mode. If you get the message of you are already a developer, that means developer option or mode has been turned on. Go back to the setting page, tap on additional settings and scroll to the bottom of your screen and select developer options and turn on the button. After that, you need to simply enable the USB debugging option. So simply you can turn on the button for USB debugging and you need to set default USB configuration to charging phones only by tapping on OK button. And you need to restart your phone and check if the issue is resolved. If that doesn't help you, you can easily navigate to the settings again. And here you can easily check for the notifications and status bar. Here you can easily look for the app notifications and then check for the option of Android system and then go ahead and open the notification categories and you can scroll to USB input and slow and go to lock screen and select on show notifications. If you do not find on notifications section, you can easily find in this app management section under apps and navigate to Android system. And here select manage notification and deny the notification from Android system. So by following this all the steps, this will fix the USB connected notification issue on an Android phone. If this helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.